The internet module has allowed customers to come in to our system and get information they need, statuses of current shipments. They can look at documents, or PODs, bill of ladings, any type of pertinent documents that they may be looking for. And they also can enter orders into our system that they need moved.
We upgraded from version 6 to version 9.1. And during that upgrade process, we purchased the internet module. Now that allows our customers and drivers to go to a website, and using a login that we provide them, the customers are able to see the loads they have in the system, the status of those loads, and if there's any documents scanned in against those loads, they can pull their own documentation, bill of ladings, etc. The drivers can go through our internet module, they can apply for a driving position, and they can also, for our current drivers, can get online and see their current payroll or any of their historical payroll items. This module really helps our accounting department because it cuts down on the number of phone calls and the amount of time spent tracking down a bill of lading for a customer, or our customer service reps having to tell a customer the status of their loads. These customers can go in, they can see a position. If most of our trucks have Qualcomm units, and so the customers were able to see where their trucks were located based on the internet module, and they don't have to call and be put on hold and wait for their customer service rep. Drivers, on the other hand, can find out their payroll information without having to call into the payroll person and talk to that person. They can go online from wherever they're at a truck stop and get their current payroll information.
Especially on nights and weekends, you can use the rapid alert module. Another kind of optional module. You can use that to push that information out, send it an email. Whatever you want to do. You could potentially even send it directly to your customer. If you had that relationship to the point where, hey, we know this truck's going to be late. We know you want notified 24/7. Here's a system to do that. You could theoretically even, go with the internet module. Allow the customer to look in on your pings, do a breadcrumb trail, look at where the truck's at. They can make the decision. Hey, yeah, they're late, but they're only an hour behind. We can adjust our, appointment times or whatever. So, when you really think of the full circle of what you can really do with the tools that are provided, some of that stuff can be automated. You can put the power in the customer's hands. Or you can do it the traditional way. Have your customer service people, driver managers, operations staff, whoever that is, manage it. But you've got to bring that initial piece of data to somebody's, somebody's screen, somebody's phone, somebody's email, whatever it is, to say, hey, we got a problem. That's what the software is. Hey, we got a problem. You still got to train your people to act on the information properly, right? Again, a tool. The tool says, hey, here's a problem. People have to finish it out though. So whatever that looks like. Whether it's an automated solution, whether it's a good old-fashioned phone call, hey, we got a problem, let's fix this. Very configurable though. Have it however you want. Keep it internal. It doesn't matter. The system doesn't know if it's emailing a customer, emailing somebody sitting 3 feet from the other guy that needs to know. It doesn't matter, but you can put a process in place that works every time like it's supposed to.
Power Broker's our core system. It's kind of it's there, it's our core network, and then these modules we've purchased from McLeod just layer on top of them, and they're really easy, they're very seamless to integrate with. Yeah, the internet portal, we have a direct link off our website. It's seamless for the customers. 1 minute they're on our website, the next minute they're in the McLeod portal. They don't really even see the difference in it.
The internet module, almost all of our drivers obviously are remote. They get their paycheck mailed to their home, but many of them want to know how they did prior to that. So our driver interface to the web has allowed our drivers to get their settlements before they ever get their paycheck. So it's sped up their reporting back to them. Our customers also can track their shipments on our web interface. So we've had customers, not all of them, wish to see how their loads are, both whether they've been picked up, whether we have them in our system, whether they're in transit, and McLeod interface allows for all of that. Driver applications in our recruiting process. One of the biggest difficulties right now in transportation is recruiting new drivers. We can now have our drivers prospective drivers fill out an application online, goes right into our database. It allows our recruiting team to follow up with them and just get a little bit of additional information, but by and large have the core information they need to actually process a driver for potential hire.